Megbao etene lote fiteki avekeno ne ki atene lote fiteki udemi todukune mutogba. Kanya shane kpo data analytics. Data analytics shonka ki defitek ki she porana ifilaba joy. Organization wewe lateni abo kuma numa kide kuma anike du chukolo ifu. Tudabale ifu koshe wa kanya ifu koshe kide nanya ki amujuwe ojojojiwa uncheke nevdoki examples by project wewe ye ki ajengune ye ki ajenwe ka biro na eju ki ajenwe numau tongengene anya cover field ojojoji be it finance, health, sports by field do HR field do kidomo anya consider ki onekineke you can understand. So data analytics cheong jododo kanya shane bayomoi a shane abajoy chonke go efi dataset kide eleka kini ishe messy dataset kide share ishe messy ala dupe any decision kwe fun. So from this dataset adupe make decision and kamuda anya decision kadupe make kwemi sheka kini ojo Friday sales are drop kwefi data kidei alalika kini sales are drop ojo Friday in about 56% lower than ojo weekday based on average. Dabale anya go from owa hoiwa elika kini data ishe very very messy. Elika kini data ishe messy. Ama aluki a pass through process kide kwe awu analyze owo deje abajo ishe reasonable elika kini ishe clean ishe clear and ishe actionable yejo dudu kide ishe raw data ishe messy ya te confuse one akwe jo dudu ama chonka awu analyze taki yache bireju yache onko ne neke ka uli ewulierere emeun ki data akola lugbon. So, kwefi data today, ameon kanya goshi a business that should stop losing money on Friday. So, business kuma we a loss occur ojo Friday. Abekiche ma a loss occur today ma loss ita aba ne kishi to kuma we loss occur ojo Friday. Omlashi a hire that should never have happened. Enki organization madu pe lan. Enki organization madu pe do kote fun. Abalege a product that's about to blow up. Adope ma enki detail. So amenwe chakado data analysis on she process kone neke find decision kide. So it's just the process of finding that decision katene can make kide. And enyini taka touch any tool, taka the tools do sheku, tools data analysis do sheku. Nanya dungwa the 5 concepts that make everything else make sense. 5 concepts ki ajenwe bureau aju ki ajenwe oli data kidei nero neju ki ajenwe tools do kone adu sheku bureau neju kema tools eke dupe edu sheku chenki konlia omiche Gideon kwe Ogra Solutions ojajogu omamede chenke go enka li cheka kini aboku machane data analytics most times ma lo tefi Excel abeki Python but if e jona idepe ma lenyo to dem wita ishi todu kumamami tools ishi todu ki tools we hardin ama eten cheka kini tools ye kumadu cheku ye kuma use at the right time ojile mama so emi nanya dungwa 5 concepts kone dupe ema taki ishe channel data analytics 5 concepts we yadum ne reju efi tools do ke dupe educheko efi data analytics to dabale ye ejodudu if I make concept to do jemo makini concept kanya gochi concept melu concept ejodudu kidomo onwoshi what is data analytics. So, LGC data analytics ta ama taka ikola data analysis shi data shi raw fact shi raw fact ki mama process tan data ku mama process tan raw fact there ku ma gather ki dabi ime make sense didimi shi raw fact ama check ma o process ki le we processing do ki fu dojijo iya imudi information. So a process data o madoki information data shi raw fact information la shi process data ishan ki data she na ishe na ni sense ki she bi resume egbale o madoki information so abajo ka with data mai enwa shi data analytics. So data analytics dabi funnel aibe unpe dabi ado ye ki ayengu eyo ki a temwetu. So ado kidei chanki raw data ile tefa do kidei taki ado ya iwu filter dabi utomu ijelia omune ngochi ijelia chenko na tene tomu toduki hioje ida ado o ijelia adijelia shi ujuwe kidei. So abibo adoki lilia ijelia na mujoji nkeme so ilelia kidei iche unki data le tefun kone fu chunky data le tefun ubile taki iya if you filter taki if you interpret ubiki you interpret o titala sheki she dojijo yeki che dojijo le onenike now make decision with it. So raw data ile tefi funnel kuma fu filter ubiki kuma fu filter le ma fu interpret ubiki ijeliale fu interpret then if you come out in a way konenike make decision with. So kuma doki data analytics ide if data she ki she clear ki dojijo ki she bireju ki one abeki organization ki neke make decision kwe fun. So data obi data kone fi data ne it will pass through analysis ubiki pass through analysis then decision can now be made. So it defi onakide from raw data, actionable insights, then analysis and filtering. From there, one can now make decision. So concept ejodo there, emma enki data analytics she. So what is data analytics? That's the first concept. Emma enki data analytics she. Then ubiele aloti concept ekeji. Concept ekeji kidei she the 5-step analytics workflow. So concept ekeji kidei she 5-step kone alebo takineke analyze data ona kuma make decision by data le. So every project kanya she if you koche kidei be it Excel, Python, SQL or Power BI anya lebi step melu kidei emani step melu kidei onshi concept ekeji kone dupe mai. So yejo dushi collect data. So kone dupe she jodu taika kini analyze data le dupe dogwe. So emi data collect data kidei neke di different format ka neke doshi CSV comma separated values omle she form neke di form format omle la neke she SQL or any database. So neke di format il format doki la do anya go ona kaneke use kwefi format le. So ubekone data gba the next step she clean data she if data she toruki bireju enki madupe don emduko enki dupe do if she talejun topapa. So if you process clean data kidei it involves remove duplicates amenki sheji ki madupe don make manyon duko abeke fun won she topapa omle she fix blanks ngbo kami blanks there any formula fix le abeke duko le o iye gba amen ko ne dupe she. So amen process clean there omle la she standardize date she efiko nwa talejun onchi choma fi efiko nwa ki one ki neke lebeun shili ki neke she topapa aleju iko. So that be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday iko there omle la she oche keji ojojo dudu efoche keji ifo do ka de fun yin. So date there if am date she to look talejun Idefi a clean up data to do ko neke analyze kana neke make decision with it. So shanke rewa 5 step kide yejo dushi collect data. Ekeji uche clean data. So wiki data she clean kide the next step she analyze data. So ubi cafe data analyze. Oh, sorry, ubi cafe data clean analyze she next step on step eketa. So step eketa le she analyze that on she ask question. Eti data ki she clean abajo ene ki neke she ka tene kwe phone. Le ene la neke she maybe what is the average? She trending. She outliers ki defi data ki de. So ubi cafe data analyze kefe ne to ke tene ki mudwe. The next step she visualizing. Visualize ki de she jeun kine re oneju hika. Maybe chenkone we that I go in 3 seconds kine ke kan meaning defun kine kan mujoji ola ki data ki de akai. So it's more like turn answers into charts in such a way that a non-technical person understand in 3 seconds. So ki visualize data meaning de. Erewa yejo dushi collect data, clean data, analyze data, then visualize data. Visualize it to do kineke kan nero na o na nali kineke kan mojujim. Chenke rewa enwejo dudu yeki di owa fo iwa kede. Ichenke kan nero na jun. Ama ubikafu analyze chakado kidemi kide. Amenwe chakado kidemi kide. Shi ona ki anero na ju ungatene. Enero na ju le process ki a labor shi data analysis. Ubi kafuche ki anero na ju shi ki dowo jeje ni abajo. Eli kakini ki dowo jeje ya kabiro na ju. Eli kakini ojo Friday ajako nata idewe idepe iche wane. So ubiele iche afi data visualize, then organization, if it's an organization data, can now make decision with it. Ilashi personal data, NLN can make decision by own. So obi ki make decision, then reports can now be given. So shanke riwa 5-step analytics workflow kaka kideshi collect data, clean data, analyze data, visualize data, decide. Ejodudu collect, ekeji clean, eketa analyze, ekele visualize, then ekelu decide. 5-step kone dupe lebo de. Erewa concept me lukai, ekeji ade. Ejodudu shi data. Ekeji lachi step me lu kone dupe lebo efeshi data. So biele the 4 types of analytics. Eketa concept eketa de. Concept eketa kone dupe ma efe analyze data. Onshi the 4 types of analytics. So each analytics shaka answer question and look at them. So concept kidei mana gbiti. So ona kananyoba o mana gbiti. And aluki nanya te abale onye value de. So yejo dudu kone dupe ma onshi descriptive analytics. So this descriptive analytics is talking about what happened. So uchenko netene kaki what happened enwashe. Echena describe enke washe. Eneka kini we sold 500 units. Unit 500 ungatai. So enke washe de. What happened? So that is the descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis akade. Ubiele second step la she diagnostic analytics. So diagnostic analysis akawa why did it happen? She me abi. So omune she to dem enwera wa she. That is diagnostic analysis. Yele eneka kini sales drop due to shipping delay. To dem wita ataja nyonyon. To dem amataja nita to do ki moto ki akadwa kpabie ijona. Abe ki moto ki akadwa ikawa to dule ongamana duni. Ene ki mana dun ila neke tanyonyon. Ete ki chile. So I would diagnose me. I will etekishi kenwe wa she happen mame. So ubiele eke types of analytics eketa lashi predictive analytics. Ye akola lubo what will happen. So abajo kam mi to dem enwa she ta ye ka go abajo she enwa anya she. So what will happen? So aneke go kwefe onka kwefe example wakakini we'll be out of stock on Friday. So by Friday we'll be out of stock. So then when more lucky data so then neju kakini ojo Friday anya ni onka tanita anya na jakata to do enginichi Wednesday Friday la shotona ojo Monday emeonkata ojo Tuesday emeonkata engini lashi Wednesday emeonkanata to dabale area enike predict kakini ojo Friday anya naja katan yekumado kaki predictive analysis ide be careful ma yela newality ekele type of analysis which is prescriptive analysis ye ya kola lobo what should we do. So be careful ma enke anya hapunu enga adukbe she. So yele enege kakini okay, let's reorder 200 more units today. Shonka dumaya de ojo Friday enga adukbe she ta anya fadu la manu to do kanike nekata ojo Friday prescriptive there. A prescribe ka dukbe she. What should we do? That's prescriptive analysis. So I'm beginners ojile most times ma I'll go efi descriptive analysis. So yeleche just report numbers, real value and the real types of data analysis kone dukbe ma onche diagnostic and predictive analysis. She keniki diagnose keniki prescribe analysis then NLLH efi data analytics. So she keriwa concept melo okanwai concept melo kide yejododo afugome onshi what is data analytics yekeji afugome 5 step kone neke lebo efi data analytics taki if we should call it data analytics then eketa la shi ami types of analytics kide 4 types of analytics obi kafele ma then alotoji ekele oje ekele concept 4th concept ekele kide onchi structured versus unstructured data. So shanka akola lugbo structured data enchi structured data ita structured data shi data kishe arrange data kishe arrange kone neke ka understand ama shi data kede rows by column shanke go ahoimi elika kini data kide elika ki data the rows by columns. So data do ki the rows by column she structured data she arrange iti ogba so data do ki no ogba on she structured data she arrange talk papa she arrange talijum ekeji la she unstructured data she data ki ma arrange she scatter yele she unstructured data dabi yeki towo jejemi kide is called unstructured data arranging. So example structured data shall data keneke di Excel keneke di SQL or HLKLT library elika kini amotaka da she arrange jo amotaka da she arrange she arrange abeki ebe kone akoto ogba abeki amone komati ogba komache line up we ami data ki structured there. Ama example of unstructured data kima arranging onchi text message kona texting ekubo nege scatter or images or audio or social media post abe do kima talk ogba ni mama fit grid ni ama shi data kima structure ni. So most times adupe chunky data sets yogbawe edupe emma your first question chunky data set yogbawe shekakini data kidei is it structured or not? So chen ke fu ma chen ki data she structure avec ki structure omolonge ma tu ke du pe du shekui. So engejo du kone du pe ma, is this data structured or not structured whenever you are given a data set. So concept ekele de uje wa ma kakini concept melu ongi a data analysis du pe ma efube ngoi. So concept ejodudo afugome ekeji afugome eketa afugome ekele adojumde structured versus unstructured data ala fojojum bame. So ekelu abajo shi ami tools concept ekelu the fifth concept shi ami tools kone dupe ema tools kenya master if you journey data analytics wakide if ule wakide elchami tools kedupe mata. So tools ejodudo on she spreadsheet. So adukbe understand spreadsheet. Example of spreadsheet she Excel, Google Sheet, baya bekibo. Ama example ikanya gbojinyu she Excel, ango gekubo. So Excel we on she easiest way kone nekede ami workflow ka go, 5 workflow ka go. Ti wa shukolo kone nike ikadu shekwe. To do coding Excel jani. So tool ekeji kadukwe ma she Power BI. So Power BI, BI tools. BI means business intelligence. An example of BI tools, she Power BI Tableau, Baya Bekibo. So each one can fi Excel mape then anya go on can use BI tools. Basically, ye kanya gojinyu she Power BI. Ye it will help us to make decision. So decision makers actually they want dashboards they can click. So John come on make decision dashboard man click he actually he can respond a responsive kind of dashboard. He can respond ki adem kuma teni ki adi report kuma teni wa kuma he can make decision with. So she can use BI tools like Power BI then. Ubiele then SQL. SQL means structured query language. So most real companies data man lives in databases and SQL on shona kaneke kola bami data kide. SQL abo aje wakanike interact with company data sets. So SQL chi elmo gogaga kone dukpe ma efi data analytics. So ubikabo maype then anya proceed ti Python. Python omole anya learn coding pe na anya kwe ona ke use coding kene analyze. Most times Python ya je can analyze bigger data set faster. So in an organization like Google, Microsoft, Alibaba, Kumani, large data sets, or even Nigeria as a whole. Imagine you have to analyze a whole Nigeria citizen data set during election, big data set is share. So Python make a general analyze faster big data set. So Chankeriwa Okolalubo 5 concepts. 5 concepts we ekelunga dojunde ekelungwi ungashi tools kone kanya tools da enya master efi ule data analytics kiden. So Shanka kake ashi ka dabi recap adabi go ameonka go chakadui 5 concept o mache na anya dabi go to kenike ka understand adabi deju go. Ama efulewa kidei AI anya shi co-pilot wa todo emani adefi ile Germany and Germany kidei onche o madoki Gen Z efile technology mile gbachakadume and AI artificial intelligence onugo domo todo kineke teko amune. So anya deletinyon and alekbele ibawa so yanya shi co-pilot wa efule kidei todo kineke jenge easy keneke jenwa I can learn nyonyo. So AI each one kone dupe continue company wewe acting here chion ke koche odu ke memo na ke di AI le bon abeki we do bita to da bale every step o AI do enwon asete kishike AI do ita puru kineke jenwa cut down our workflow step from hours to minutes. Iko kaniki ka kpabi ojun nana AI niki tekwa ka kpabi ojun if it just few minutes if it go where allocate on. So AI fu bake tefi lesson chakado kanyache. If you lesson chakado kunaya dung me AI she bake tefo me taliju ki atekwa if le technology ijamene ka defo me. So amen ka go chakado ishe akwe data lote ona kone can make decision. Em ka go do them. So data beats a raw fact. Kama analyze tan maafu analyze kisha process iya mude information ko nene ke make decision with. So basically analytics turn raw fact into decision ko nene ke act on. So ubile ago ami 5-step workflow ko nene ke le she she collect data omne she clean data ketan she analyze data visualize data then making decision with the analyzed data. So project do kanya she follows 5-step workflow kide obiele anakola logo 4 types of analytics. Onshi descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, prescriptive analytics, predictive analytics before prescriptive analysis. Ejo duchi descriptive, ekeji diagnostic, eketa predictive, ekele prescriptive. So ugboki real value they domo. So obiele angogo elchi structured and unstructured data. Elika kini structured data, chi data kishi arrange in rows, in columns. Only I can mojojum. Ama unstructured data, chi data kima arranging. Then ubiele ami toolbox kanya use. Megba chakadu. So ubi kafi unstructured and structured data ma. The next is the toolbox. Ami tool kanya use. Then after the next lesson kanya go she ona ka channel practical. So ami 5 concepts today. E defi do kone do payma taki channel use all the tools. So eje kelebumi efijonai. Please subscribe, like, and comment, then share when necessary. Megbachaka, Omishe, Gideon, or Grass Solutions, or Jajobu.